So I just got these two new baskets, like blanket baskets. This one actually, I think, is more of for like a laundry basket, but you could use them either way. And I just thought I would show you both so you can get an idea of the sizes and what you might be able to use them for. So this one is all like that kind of tan uh, color. And then the handles, of course, have that as well. Whereas you can see this one has the white top. I would say this material right here is a bit softer than like this. Um, they both feel pretty similar, but I'm sure it's just whatever was used here at the top of this one is a little bit softer. The handles are actually fairly similar. I would say also this one is a little bit softer. Um, but they both seem really well made, well stitched. This one is going to be a lot bigger around, and so really good. I'm going to be using it for multiple blankets. I think I'm going to do them in a roll and then stack them. And then this one I'm probably going to use as a laundry basket, but I might get another one for some other things. I have a really, really small condo and I don't have a lot of storage space. So I need to find ways to store things in a way that they still look clean, pretty, part of the design of the room. And that's where baskets like these can really come in handy. Um, so this one is a little bit more like it's not as big around because it's more like a laundry basket size. So that's like a throw that I have on my couch just to give you an idea. And then we'll take a look at that on this side too. You can see just the amount of space it takes up kind of fills the bottom of this one over here. So this one bigger around, shorter, good for blankets. This one you could use for multiple things, but I would say more like for a laundry basket or something of that sort. Both really solid, both really well made, and I think both are going to look beautiful and really help to elevate your space.